Hello everybody, it's Monica here in the makeshift greenhouse. This is where all the plants have come in from the outside to rest as I begin to figure out where else to put them so that they have the light that they need, so that it's easy for me to water them, and just so that I can admire them. Alright, back in. Look at this. Every time I turn around this particular plant, I think it's called a hosta. I don't always know plant names. You can talk to plants without knowing their names. Every time I turn around, I have this in a pot somewhere. Right now, this is just a little cup with water. Every time I turn around, another piece has fallen off. And so then I just stick it in the water, and then I am planting it into this big pot, and it's getting bigger and bigger. It's spreading because it's constantly falling apart and then being added to. So this is plant failure turned miraculous. Here is a plant that I have just discovered that I have been meaning to work with for a while. It's so sad. Well, actually, it's doing remarkably well. Look at this little leaf, it's doing well. And, but the roots are like, it's magic. This is magic that this is even alive. I could cut the roots away, but I'm not going to, because somehow it's supporting something. So I'm going to put it in a better situation. And again, not judge me, and just admire the resilience of this thing that's growing against all odds. And I am going to go ahead and keep it in a little plastic pot, because plastic really can maintain more humidity than like a clay pot or something like that. So here you go. Tips and tricks from the judgment-free gardener.